Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brown Panda Beauty. If you're new, welcome. How you doing? So in today's video I have done this look right here that you see. Very easy to do, a lot of fun to do as well. I wanted to create this look using my Mar Palette by Colourpop. I love Colourpop products, and eyeshadows are my favorite products that they do. Even their lipsticks and stuff. I haven't used their foundation and concealers and things like that, but seeing how great their eyeshadows and lip colors and lipsticks and all that are, I am really excited to try the foundation as well. So yeah, if you like what you see, keep on watching and I'll show you how I did this look, what I used, how I used it, and all that jazz. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus. This has gold specks in it. It's going to give me a luminous look, plus it's going to set my makeup as well because the makeup I'm going to do today is going to be quite heavy. I'm going to press that liquid into my skin. Now I'm going to go in with my Double Wear concealer. It has a different lid because my applicator broke, so just swapped it with a different one that has finished. I'm going to take my beauty sponge again and spread that. I'm going in with my Huda Beauty translucent powder. I've tried this a few times. I'm still on the edge if I like it, so I'm going to keep on trying until I have a final thought. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and spread this powder all over my eyelid and also at the bottom. I'm going to use my Mar Palette. It looks like this. This is by Colourpop. Beautiful colors, and I really want to use the blues and the greens. So yeah, let's get started. Just going to take a fluffy eye brush and go in straight with this darker color here. And this is going all over my crease and also just slightly up above my crease. Starting off with little product, and I'm going to intensify it slowly. Of this darkness, so I'm gonna leave it now and I'm gonna go in with this blue right here and put it all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and use this beautiful sparkly blue and put it all over my eyelid. In with that brownier color that I used in my crease and basically blend the blue and the brown out. Go in with a clean brush and basically blend every harsh line out so it doesn't look all patchy or pointy. That makes sense. Go in and clear all the fallout around my eye area and then finish my face. And then I'll do my eyes. There was quite a bit of fallout, so I have to clear everything that I put underneath, but that's okay, I can redo it. So now I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Concealer, and looks like that, if you guys haven't seen it. I'm just going to color correct. Actually, I might color correct my under eyes too. I didn't need it, but now that I'm doing it, might as well. Exploded on me. Anyway, I go in with my Calvin Klein Luminous Cream here, illuminating cream. This is in Golden Glow. Just going to spread that underneath my foundation. For today's look, I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I do want a good full coverage finish, so I'm going to go in with this one. My color is Spice Sand. I'm going to take my beauty sponge. Go with another layer of Double Wear, so I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and spray this all over my face and then layer another foundation layer. Go in with my double wear again and do my under eyes. The double wear slightly on my cheekbones. Take my beauty sponge. Go in with my beauty sponge and take my Huda Beauty. Basically stamp this underneath my eyes. Watch Huda Beauty's video to see how to use this powder because it's so hard for me to take it out. My whole thumb's covered in the powder. So I might YouTube her with this product and see how she uses it and how she applies it. I'm gonna take the fluffy brush and remove all the powder. Ooh. It's a bit white, isn't it? Alright, I'm gonna just carry on doing my eyes. For my eyeliner, I am going to use this liner here. This is by L'Oreal called Flash Cat Eye. This is a felt tip one. I'm not a big fan of felt tip, but I really want to try this one in this look. So let's go in. I kept on bleeding on my eye and I kept on making it thicker and it still bled. It stopped now, so I'm gonna leave it this thick. It did also bled underneath my eye, so I had to clean it. Not a big fan of this eyeliner, but this is the reason I don't like felt tips, because most of them bleed on my eyes, so they do spread where they're not supposed to spread. So yeah, this is what I have to deal with now. So I'm going to smoke out my lower lashes. I'm going to go in with Clarins eye pencil and I'm going to smoke out my lower lashes. I'm not going in my waterline, I'm just going outside of my waterline. Take a pencil brush and take that brown from my Colourpop and smoke out my lower lashes. I kept on darkening my bottom of my lashes until I was happy with the strength of my eyeshadow, and all I've done is basically smoke out the black that I put on with the brown. Now I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown pencil concealer here and I'm going to just apply that in my waterline. I need to be very careful. Go and curl my lashes before I put my lashes on, false lashes on. Mascara, today I'm going to use my Lancome. This is called Hypnose Doll Eyes. This is really nice for like lengthening and really defining your lashes. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown pencil. Define my lashes. Wait. To define my brows more, I'm gonna use my Chi Chi pomade. Like this. I haven't used this in a very long time and I missed it, so I found it and I'm gonna use it today. I'm going to use my angle brush and basically set my brows. I'm going to go in with my falsies. For today's video I'm going to use my Ardell. These are called 105 number. My lashes are on, so I'm not going to go and finish my face. So for my face I'm using my Clarins bronzer right here. I'm going to use this to warm my face and also contour. Blush, I'm going to go in with my Tarte palette right here. And for the color, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color here. I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Dainty. For my highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown highlighter here. This is called Bronze Glow. Looks like this. It's a beautiful golden sort of a bronzier highlight. So I'm gonna use this today. Really want a good highlight. For my lips today, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown lipstick. This one is Crushed Lip Color in color Baby. My pigmentation's showing through, so I'm going to go in and use a lip liner. This one is called Sand Beige. This is by Chi Chi. I'm going to go again with the lipstick and put it on top of the lip liner. I'm going to top it off with this Tarte Glossy Lip Paint. This one is called... has no name. Okay. This one came free, well, was part of a palette. I'll put that on top. In with my Fix Plus again and set my makeup. Just gonna see if there's any sort of harsh line on my eye makeup or anything that's missing, and if I'm happy, I'm gonna go in and spray this. I'm gonna cover my eyes because I don't want the liquid to kind of mess this up. There you go. This is the final look. I had so much fun creating this look because I love a full glam look. But it is so easy to do. All you gotta do is practice with blending and really building up the color. Otherwise, this look is extremely easy. If I wasn't doing a video, this look will take me maybe 15-20 minutes max, maybe 30 minutes if I'm really dramatic. I know I've done a blue before, but this is a different blue and a completely different look. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would so wear this look at nighttime for sure if I'm going to like a special occasion, if my dress has a little bit of blue like this. Indian dresses and costumes and outfits have sort of sparkly colors all the time, so you can definitely wear this look for an Indian event if you've got similar color in your dress. Or just a pop of color if your dress is quite neutral. So yeah, this look is definitely wearable for a nighttime look, or if you're daring, you can wear it during the daytime as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you found it helpful, entertaining, fun. Maybe you learned some new tips and tricks from it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and comment down below. Just say hello or any suggestions or recommendations. Until then, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy, be positive. Bye.